Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. This is your monthly guide to the ever-changing dance of the stars and planets. Each month, the universe presents us with powerful energies and opportunities for growth, reflection, and transformation. Together, we'll explore the celestial shifts shaping the month ahead and how they may influence your path. I'm your astrologer N. Baksh, and I'm here to guide you through the cosmic energy. This month, the skies are abuzz with significant movements. The sun's transition steadily through Capricorn highlights themes of discipline, ambition, and long-term planning. Its influence encourages us to take charge and stay grounded. Mercury's journey aligns with clarity, enhancing communication and decision-making while paving the way for practical solutions. Venus brings a touch of grace, influencing our relationships and creative pursuits with a harmonious energy. Mars completes its retrograde in Gemini, reigniting forward momentum, clarity in action, and mental sharpness. Jupiter ends its retrograde in Taurus, amplifying themes of expansion, growth, and abundance. This planetary shift encourages us to focus on stability and grounded progress. As these celestial bodies shift and align, they set the stage for new beginnings, powerful transformations, and introspection. Let's dive in and uncover the deeper layers of this month's cosmic story. For Aries natives, firstly, let's see how this month will be for you financially. With Jupiter turning direct in Taurus on 5th February, financial stability will improve significantly after early delays. It's a favorable period to plan investments, but avoid overspending as Venus and Rahu in Pisces may push you towards impulsive expenses. For job-going people, Mercury is in Capricorn until 11th February, supporting clear communication and decision-making at work. The Sun's transit into Aquarius on 13th February will improve visibility in your network, bringing opportunities for career growth. For business persons, Jupiter's direct motion in your second house boosts financial opportunities in partnerships and investments post 5 February. However, remain cautious around 28th February as Mercury's transit into Pisces can cloud decision-making. For people interested in the trading market, gains are possible in the crypto market after Jupiter turns direct. But Mars retrograde until 24th February could bring volatility. Exercise caution and do thorough research before investing. For people interested in the share market, Saturn's position in Aquarius favors long-term investments, particularly in sustainable industries. Avoid short-term risks in early February. For people interested in lottery, with Venus and Rahu in Pisces, luck might favor you slightly, but only for small gambles. Do not overindulge. Research or consult professionals before investing. For people who are married, the Sun's transit into Aquarius on 13th February supports harmony in relationships. But Saturn's presence may create minor misunderstandings, so communicate early. Health of elders may need attention, especially after mid-February as Saturn aspects the 5th house. Jupiter's direct motion post 5 February supports focus and clarity. Students will find it easier to grasp difficult subjects. Subjects related to finance, law, and technology will align well with planetary support. Stay disciplined and limit time spent on gadgets and social media, especially around the last week of February when distractions may increase. Sun and Mercury transiting Aquarius favor short trips for networking or career. Avoid unnecessary travel after 28th February as Rahu and Venus in Pisces might cause confusion or mismanagement in plans. With Mars retrograde in Gemini until 24th February, avoid excessive strain on your shoulders and arms. Also, limit sugary and oily foods as Venus in Pisces might encourage indulgence. Stick to a balanced diet with adequate hydration. Jupiter in Taurus favors good digestion. Watch for minor issues related to anxiety or restlessness, particularly in the first half of the month. Practice mindfulness or light exercise to maintain emotional balance. Thank you for joining us on Sitaro Ka Safar. If you're looking for personalized guidance or solutions to the challenges in your life, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm here to help you find clarity and direction through the wisdom of astrology. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback means the world to us and helps us grow. And if you haven't already, Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on your cosmic journey. Until next time, may the stars light your path and bring positivity to your life. We'll see you in the next video.